Arya, comeback series of Sushmita Sen, released this Friday on Disney Plus Hotstar. And here I am, that movie guy, discussing it so you can decide whether to watch it or not. Stay tuned, guys. Arya is inspired from a Spanish series called Penosa, released in 2010. It is a story of a woman named Arya Sareen. From the outside, Arya Sareen, a supremely fit, still stunning mother of three, seems to have everything: a caring husband, luxurious life, loving family, no problem. But scratch a little and you realize the truth is something else altogether. Her life takes a topsy turvy turn when his husband got killed cold blooded, and to save her and her children's life, she had to take desperate measures she never wanted to. Story of Arya is simple and linear, with surprising twists and turns as story progresses. Although after watching I realized that pace of the series is on little slow side, which can make you yawn a few times. Spot on. The best thing I found about the series is how the character arc of Arya Sareen is depicted throughout the series. The character development from a caring mother and a loving wife to a drug transporter. The emotions she goes through, the circumstances around her that compels her to become what she always hated is very effective. There is no over the top action or long chase sequences, but the story is character driven, which keeps one hooked till the very end. I believe that a good story is when the character becomes something else at the end from what it was at the beginning. And that credit goes to the writers of the series, Sandeep Singh Srivastav and Anu Singh Chaudhary. Missed targets. The story uses lots of cliches, which we as the audience have seen several times. For example, naming a big businessman Zorawar to make him sound powerful, or guessing the password for a pen drive that easily, etc. etc. Secondly, as I pointed out earlier, the pace of the series is a little sloppy, which bores you sometimes. The series could be a little shorter, in my opinion. Cast. From the very first scene, you will know that it is a comeback of Sushmita Sen on screen. She has played the role of Arya commendably, and this is her story from start to end. It is such a delight to watch her after so long. She has not aged a bit, but also makes you wonder why her potential was not tapped before. There is another comeback in the series, that is of Chandrachur Singh, who you may remember from movies like Josh and Machis. But he is there only for one episode basically, which can be termed only as an extended cameo. All the supporting actors have done their part superbly, be it an honest police officer or a caring father, rival business partner or a loyal associate. Nobody disappoints you. So, to sum up, Arya is an engaging thriller which takes you on a journey which you will not regret going to, and in the end will be in awe of Sushmita Sen. So guys, that's it from my side. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to That Movie Guy, and to watch the review in Hindi, follow my other channel, That Movie Guy Hindi. Link is in the description. Till next time, stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.